It's holiday season and tables abound with tempting festive dishes. People around the world indulge in more food and drink than they need during celebrations, and the result is increased body weight. Once the holidays are over, there is a struggle to shed those extra kilograms. Dieting does not always work, and scientists now say it's because no regimen works the same for everyone.
For years, we've been trying to search for that a silver bullet diet that would work for everybody, and we've been miserably failing. And that's because the best diet for each person really has to be tailored to that individual.
Israeli researchers Aaron Siegel and Aaron Elinov say the key to losing weight is keeping blood sugar levels low. Too much sugar in one's blood gets stored as fat. The two scientists have measured blood sugar levels in about 800 people after every meal for a week.
What we were really surprised to find is that different people react very uniquely even when they eat the same exact food.
Food that created a healthy response in some individuals caused an unhealthy increase of blood sugar in others. People reacted very differently to bread, for example.
What we were surprised to find out was just like any other food, there is no such thing as a good bread. The response to bread was completely individualized.
Adding fat to bread like butter, oil, or avocado can help normalize blood sugar in some individuals, but not all. Meat and cheese are least likely to cause blood sugar spikes. But a diet without carbohydrates is not sustainable. The Israeli researchers say the best solution is finding out which carbohydrates are safe to be incorporated in an individual's diet. It requires pricking a finger for a drop of blood to measure sugar levels after each meal for a while. But the pain may well be worth it. Zlatica, Hoke, VOA News, Washington.